I first got started in road racing when I was 11 years old. My dad brought me out to a race when I was 10, and I had no clue it even existed or that I could do it. Then a couple months later, he bought me a bike randomly. I had no clue, and we started doing it, and I got addicted ever since.
My role with HSBK Racing here is crew chief and lead technician, and what I do is just take care of the bikes. I make sure Derek is good to go, make sure the bikes are perfect for him to race. I'm just really proud of the team and what we've done this year, and you know, we take a lot of pride in what we do.
The 2012 season has been great with the HSBK Racing guys. We've done a lot of racing and had a lot of good results in such a short amount of time. And we've done a few AMA races. I think we've come a long way with developing the HSBK 848. It's been a great year so far.
Originally when we decided to go racing, it was only going to be for club racing and CMRA. After seeing how talented Derek was, we decided to enter him in the Daytona Sport Bike class on board the HSBK 848 EVOs. Derek's very talented. You know, with very little track time, he's running the pace of seasoned veterans that have been racing for the last 4 or 5 years.
Yeah, the racing culture out here it's a pretty tight-knit group. You know, everybody's a big family out here. Everybody knows each other. You can help each other out in any way possible. You know, it doesn't matter if it's your nemesis on the racetrack. You know, off the racetrack, if they need anything, you know, everybody's there for them. You know, passion is why I'm here in the sport, and you know, that's why people go racing.